Hot news: Asia markets, US-China trade, currencies in focus. Stocks in Australia slipped in Wednesday morning trade on the back of concerns over the state of ongoing US-China trade negotiations, amid reports that the White House had cancelled a trade planning meeting with Beijing this week. The ASX 200 slipped 0.22% in early trade as the major sectors traded mixed. The energy sector, meanwhile, futures also pointed to a lower open for the in Japan. The Nikkei future, is scheduled to issue its statement on monetary policy later today, with interest rates expected to be left unchanged. On Wall Street overnight, the snapped a 4-day winning streak as it fell 301.87 points to close at 24,404.48. The Shed 1 point stocks stateside dropped to their lows of the day following a Financial Times story which said the U.S. had cancelled a trade meeting with Chinese officials. The report was late. White House economic advisor Larry Kudlow, however, denied that report, telling CNBC that the U.S. and China are aiming to strike a deal to break their trade impasse before March 1st. The two economic, which tracks the greenback against a basket of its peers, was at 96.298 after touching an earlier high of 96.484. The widely seen as a safe haven currency, traded at 109.35 against the greenback after seeing lows above 109.5 in the previous session. The was at dollars. Got a confidential news tip? We want to hear from. Sign up for free newsletters and get more CNBC delivered to your inbox. Get this delivered to your inbox, and more info about our products and services. Copyright 2019 CNBC LLC. All rights reserved. Data is a real-time snapshot. Data is delayed at least 15 minutes. Global business data also provided by
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.